Had a fantastic Easter weekend and celebrated with their family. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on with the market this week as we head into a very busy week because of the bank holidays on Friday and on Monday. Things are starting to pick up here on the Tuesday. So with that being said, traders, welcome to the Pip Hunter Trading Show, and we're going to go ahead and chase after those 20 pips. I'll see you right after this. Alrighty, good morning traders, and welcome to the Pip Hunter Trading Show, where we look for 20 pips out of the market. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, you know what I'm going to say. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Also, go ahead and smash the like button. If you can as well, comment on the video as well. Comment on the video and tell us how you're enjoying these sessions, or if you're not enjoying these sessions, go ahead and let us know. Make sure you go ahead and comment in the comment box of the actual video, not in the chat, but actually in the video. I'd like to see some comments from you as well. Now, traders, as we go ahead and take a look at the trading opportunities this morning, remember one thing that we are looking for, making sure my mic's working, making sure that we are looking for 20 pips out of the market. So we're looking for support and resistance, and we're going to go ahead and buy and sell off those levels. Now, if you're looking at our trades and you like to follow our trades, make sure you go ahead and check out the description down below. We've got a bunch of information down below. Down below is our Telegram channel where you can actually follow our trades that we're currently doing. But also, more importantly, if you go down below as well, we also have a special bonus deposit for those that want to get involved in trading. Check out down below. You can get there's actually a link down below. It says a bonus deposit offer. Check it out down below. You must click on it and check out the details. Especially if you want to get started, you've got a new trading account, you want to get it boosted up. We're going to go ahead and give you also access to our Pip Hunter Trade Replica, which allows you to be able to get trades placed into your trading account and boost your trading account for the month of April. Now, that offer is only for the month of April, and we're probably going to be ending it off really soon if we get a whole bunch of traders go ahead and sign up already. So we are giving some good offers out there to get you guys started. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the trade opportunities, but we're going to use a trading tool called the Pip Hunter Trading Tool. This trading tool allows us to be able to enter the market quickly, but also manage our positions. If you're interested in that, check out our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. We've got a lot of information about our starter membership, our professional membership, which gives you access to trade opportunities that we're placing here in the session, but also trade opportunities that we're placing based on our trade replica as well. Make sure you check out our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. Now, without further ado, my friends, let's go ahead and get into what you guys came here for, and that is the trade opportunities, right? So let's go ahead and jump into the market. Take a look at the chart right here. We got the Euro US dollar chart open here. Now, Euro US dollar chart right here. I'm still a big buyer on Euro US dollar. I'm holding on a lot of positions. I know my trade replica's got a lot of positions in there. We're currently holding on the Euro US dollar, but I'm still positive on Euro US dollar bullish. I'll tell you why. All right, let's go to the daily time frame. Take a look here on the daily time frame. We do have this wave structure: wave 1, 2, and 3. Here is 4 up here at the top, and we've come down to 5. So I'm seeing bullish divergence at the moment right now. Look at this right here. I'm going to go ahead and clear up. Let's go ahead and clean up a little bit here. So you can see right here, you can see how price is gone a little lower, but we're still seeing this bullish sentiment here on the momentum indicator. So we're getting bullish momentum, we're getting price moving lower. That's a beautiful setup for a bullish divergence. So yes, number one, we've got the 5th wave that has been completed on the wave structure. We've got bullish divergence based on this right here. We have a falling wedge, which means if we do break out to the north side, it's going to be a pretty aggressive rally to the upside. So we are anticipating a rally on Euro US dollar. I know there's other factors involved. Of course, what's going on with the dollar? Does the dollar see a bit of a dip coming up soon? And the answer to that is yes. Okay, so we are thinking bearish on the dollar. So that would mean bullish on the euro Euro US dollar. Now I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the latest swings because we are trading intraday right here. And I'll notice right here, notice that we have a wave 1, wave 3 up here. And prices come back down to retest just shy of wave 1, but it's come back to retest this support level right here. There it is there. So traders, guess what? We buy off support, we sell at resistance. This moment right now, we're at support. I'm going to go ahead and bank in on a buy. So let's go ahead and buy in on a Euro US dollar right here. And again, notice that I'm using a trading tool called the Pip Hunter Trading Tool. You can get access to that. Check out our website and check out the starter membership. Now, I've gone ahead and bought in right here. Check out our information in our description, where you can go ahead and check out the Telegram channel that gives you all the trades that we're placing right now. Now, we're long on this Euro US dollar. We're still carrying a position from last week, Aussie Cad. We had, of course, that session on Thursday last week, but we did have Good Friday on Friday, and then, of course, Easter Monday, where we had some bank holidays. So there's been a long weekend that there hasn't been any sort of real volume trading. And so that's why we're stuck inside this Aussie Cad. But as you can see right here, we're heading very close to our target. So we'll probably be popping out of the Aussie Cad pretty soon. Now that gives me an opportunity to take a look at the New Zealand Cad. And I've been looking at New Zealand Cad, looking for a possible buy on New Zealand Cad. Let's see here. Let's go to New Zealand Cad right here. And I think we need to jump in soon because I was looking at it earlier on and I was pretty excited about a buy. So the 15-minute time frame, so the 15-minute time frame, not quite seeing a negative divergence here. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour is overbought there as well. Okay, so the 4 hour looks pretty interesting here. And you'll notice that I've gone ahead and drew in a wave structure right here. And the reason why I've done that on the 4 hour, because I'm noticing right here that we had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that price took out the wave 4 right here. So which means this is a bullish zone. So we're in a bullish zone on the 4 hour. So we might not be able to see that on the 15-minute and the 1 hour things that we'd like to see. But we do see right here that there was also a zigzag pattern right here that indicates that this is the A, B, C correction pattern. And so we're anticipating New Zealand Cad to start going bullish. Now, if I take a look over here, closer up right here, I do also see some bullish divergence. Notice right here that we've got bearish price movement, but we've got some bullish momentum. So we're getting divergence here. We just closed out with an morning star here on the 4 hour, which is pretty cool. So which means there could be a retest of that and then a rally. So let's go back down to the 15-minute. And so here's the 15-minute swing from the low right here all the way up here to the high. So if I look at this right here, there is this chance that price could want to dip down below this low and get down a little bit deeper, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and chance this right here. So that'll be about a 20 pip dip. Now I could wait for the market to dip below here, take out that low, and then look to go ahead and trade that. So that is an option to stand aside. I don't see negative divergence here, okay? So which means that this could also be a rally, then a dip going south, then another rally. So we could see the market maybe going up, maybe to the 1.27, and then at that level, start dipping back down south again. Now again, this is the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Take a look here on the 1 hour. Here's that turnaround right here, an indecision candle. We're already in an overbought condition right here. Okay, so I've got this choice here. I've got a choice to stand aside, wait for the market to dip down a little low, and then go ahead and enter the market. I still like the bullish rally on this. Or I could go ahead and get in right now. If it doesn't rally, it does dip down, enter again, and then go ahead into a profit on the move going up, which means I'll probably profit on the entry that I entered first I'll profit on the second entry at the first entry. Not a bad option. All right, so what I'm going to do here is, just because I'm not going to be at the computer for the next few hours, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to go long on the CAD here, New Zealand CAD. I'm going to go ahead and put a buy in on New Zealand CAD, and I'm going to chance the upside move to be 20 pips before the market goes back and goes into what we call an irregular flat pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and buy right here. If I'm wrong and the market's going to zigzag back down south, I may have to enter a gain on that and then go ahead and look to rally. Now, Jack says I have the Pip copier, the Pip copier. Would you also recommend that I buy the Pip Hunter? No, Jack, you've actually got what we call we've just did a name rechange. You've got the copier Pip, the Pip grabber, which is actually the Pip Hunter. So it's just a name change. You do have the Pip Hunter trading copier. Now, if you're talking about the actual Pip Hunter, the Pip Hunter trading tool, you can certainly do that if you want to go ahead and open up another trading account. Don't do it on the same trading account as the trade replica. But if you want to do it on another account and follow these trades, you can absolutely go ahead and do that. Now, we did say that there's going to be some changes. We're going to possibly reduce these sessions that we're doing right here and make it only available for our members that have our starter membership. So I want to go ahead and lay it out there. I don't want to surprise you guys, but there's a chance that come May that we're going to run into a situation where everything we're doing here in these sessions on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday may end up going into a member-only section. Those traders that are members of the starter membership that own the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, they will get access to these sessions so we can help them go ahead and create more opportunities, trade opportunities. And we may even produce additional trade opportunities, maybe go ahead and add in additional sessions just because we want to give them more access to more trade opportunities. See, what we want to do, traders, is we want to teach you and give you the tools that you need in order to be able to make multiple trade opportunities and follow a simple system. And that's the reason why we're going to make some changes, because we've got a lot of traders that have been signing up for the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, which is the starter membership, because we give them trade signals, we give them the tool to be able to follow these trades religiously. So we're definitely going to make some changes here very, very soon. Now, let's keep going here. Let's take a look at Swiss. I'm not too sure if I want to get in on the Swiss, but I think I'm going to get in on the Swiss CAD on a sell. You see there's a little dip right here now, this little rally. Let's go to the CAD Swiss here. Let's take a look here, CAD Swiss. So the CAD Swiss, if you go to a larger time frame, look at this. We're right at the resistance on the 4 hour. So we're expecting some pushback down south again. So I think this is a perfect time right here as you look at price, how price has gone ahead and created this big evening star. Now retesting, which means I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm looking at the 15 right here. And on the 15, this is what's going to happen right here. We're currently right here at about the 382 right here. Now, price can move up a little higher, which means that we could see price going up another maybe 17 pips. Now, we could hold on to this one a little bit longer and wait to see if price gets up to that level and then go ahead and look to sell at a higher level. You can do that. Or we can say, let's just go ahead and get in now and wait for price to go ahead, because price, if it drops to the 127 right here, that's 35 pips. In fact, if it goes to the low right here, that's 20 pips. We'll be able to capture our profit and get the heck out of Dodge. So I'm okay selling the Swiss, the CAD Swiss right here. And then if it does go ahead and continue to rally, we'll enter a gain on that. So let's go to the CAD Swiss. I like the overall trend direction on this, and that is bearish. So because of that, I'm going to go ahead and enter now, and we'll take profit at the low that was created on that big bearish candle. Right, so we're going to go ahead and enter that. You can see my trades in. I've got my stop loss in. I've got everything ready to rock and roll on this. I'm going to go ahead and let that one ride. Now, the only one I've got left here is on the US dollar CAD. And the US dollar CAD, I'm interested if I'm selling CAD Swiss, that means I'm banking on weaker CAD. That means I should be looking at bullish on the CAD US dollar CAD, right? So let's go to US dollar CAD and look for a buy. And you can see, right, it's pushing up a little higher. Let's see if we've seen something on the US dollar CAD. Well, it looks like the US dollar CAD is doing the same thing. But let's go do the 4-hour first. All right, let's see here. Do I want to? Okay, so we got the same thing. Yeah, big bullish candle right here. All right, big bullish candle. Low resistance of this level right here. I don't know. I'm not too crazy about a long on this yet. Resistance here. Too much resistance there. Go to the 15-minute time frame. Now I could counter this move and sell US dollar CAD, and that'll basically be hedging the CAD Swiss. How far has it moved off the top here though? 23 pips already. Smack. I'm getting conflicting signals here. Well, I wouldn't say conflicting. I'm at resistance right here. I need to get above that resistance. Then I'm more interested in buying. I'm at resistance here, but the market's already moved 23 pips, 24 pips on this already. So I might be a little bit late on this if I want to capture that 20 pip profit. So I'll have to wait for the next level to be able to make a decision on that. So I'm going to go ahead and stand aside on US dollar CAD right now, not make any decision on the US dollar CAD, and we'll see how this plays out. So this is where we're at. Take a look right here. So currently we are selling CAD Swiss, right? We did say there's a chance that the price could go up a little higher to the 618 bound. So we've already gone ahead and said, I'm accepting that there might be a little bit of an upside move. We've got a little impatient. We say we're going to jump in straight away. It's okay. We're long on the New Zealand CAD. We are long on a CAD Swiss from Thursday last week, so we can continue to hold that. And we're currently long on US dollar, Euro US dollar as well. So those are the 4 trades right now. We're going to stick with that. I'm not too sure about the US dollar CAD right now. I was considering to possibly buy it, but because we had resistance, I think I'm going to wait a little bit, because the reason why I'm buying on US dollar CAD is because I'm seeing weakness out of the Canadian dollar on both New Zealand CAD as well as, of course, on the Aussie CAD as well. So because of that, I thought let's go ahead and invest into a buy on US dollar CAD. But because of that resistance, I'm going to go ahead and stand on the sideline for that. All right, traders. Well, that pretty much wraps up the session today. Listen here, these sessions are almost never possible if we don't have the audience to be able to view it and show their appreciation by smashing the like button. But also, we cannot do these sessions without our sponsors. I want to go ahead and give you a word from our sponsors. All right, traders. Now, if you want to continue to follow our trades, remember, you go check out the description down below. There's a Telegram channel. You can check out all our trades. All our trades get placed. So if I place any additional trades, you will know about that. Now, also very important, if we place more trades in or we close out positions, you want to check out our Telegram channel, and you'll get alerted by the trades that are closed out or added more trades into that position. And also, down below, check out our bonus deposit. If you're an international client, which means that you're outside the US, you are outside the Australia, we do have a great deal in our bonus deposit. Check out a 20% bonus deposit offer down in the description as well. Check it out. Make sure you guys at least give yourself an opportunity to have a good run at the market, because you're going to get 1 month free of the Pip Hunter replica, which is really awesome. Last month we made over 20% ROI. This month we're over 6% already. So we're really doing well. In fact, this year we're at 70%. In fact, over 70% this year already. And this is only the 4th month. So we're doing exceptionally well. It's a great way to be able to boost your trading account. Check it out. Check out our website, TradersNetworkClub.com, and then hopefully we'll see you as a member of the website. So with that being said, traders, this is FxBigDog signing off.